Yeah, this is so fun. Is it for?
Hey bro, you want some pizza?
Yeah, sure.
Give me a pizza on the house, please. Thank you. Hey bro, I got the pizza.
Thanks.
Pizza, I got.
Oh, I dug the book.
Hey, what's that sound?
What sound? Oh my, that's delicious.
That's a book?
Oh, I'm done with the pizza. Ugh. Well, let me wipe all the grease on me. Yes.
Oh crap. Man, I'm
So
terrible.
fun. I wonder if you just don't click door.
Don't you hear that sound?
What sound?
That sound.
What sound are you talking about?
Not in forest. Wait,
It's in
whoa,
forest.
there's a rocket.
Oh, the rocket's back. Didn't it go up back when you know what happened?
Yeah, and it
My mom.
exploded once, and then they rebuilt it.
When my mom
Like it was
died
saying,
and turned into a weird robot thingy. Don't you remember
whoa,
I
look at
peeled?
the lava lamp.
No, don't you remember I peeled all the skin off of her, and she
yeah.
turned into, well, she never turned into it, but like I realised that she
Well,
was
at least
actually
we
a robot.
killed her.
Yeah, but it's
She
just
killed
sad
her.
because she gave birth to me. Wait a minute, she gave birth to me. Doesn't that mean I'm a robot? No, she was.
Aren't you technic-
She
Wait.
only turned into a robot because she ate
Aren't
you.
you technically chocolate now? Half chocolate?
No, I don't know.
Because your mom, like, kind of.
Wait, let me remember. She never died. Don't you remember?
Hey, bro, I can't believe the trains are out of order.
I know, like we really wanted
Now
to
we
go
have
there.
to walk. Come on.
Wait, what happens if a train just comes and we're walking on the railway?
Yeah. That would be quite fun. But
Why is
wow,
the
I haven't
train?
been here in ages. That skyscraper isn't built yet.
Why? No, why is it everything here so mini? Like actually, bro,
Why are we like bigger than the building?
I don't know.
Hey, bro,
This is crazy. Hey, you wanna
Yeah,
go in the
that's
water and
skyscraper.
swim?
Aren't we having to walk there?
Oh yeah,
No.
we're meant to be walking. Wait, why did we even go here anyway? Wasn't we supposed to be like going to like Stump or something?
No, we were meant to be going to OG Cages.
Yeah.
I haven't been there in ages.
No, I remember when OG Caves first came out, like before the actual revamp and before this.
When they made it,
Yeah, when they first made it. I remember that. But you
the
don't.
monkeys find all the crystals and
Well, you,
wait, there's music in here.
that sounds delicious.
It does.
Well,
That looks delicious.
yeah. Hey, you wanna go
It's
down and get
delicious
another
burger.
pizza? Hello? Do you wanna go down and get another pizza?
Yeah.
Well, let's go. I'm getting a bit tired. Whoa! Why did I just jump? Where are you? Why are you going?
No. Remember there's a pizza shop nearby?
I know, but like the best pizzas in town, or at the arcade. You
Yeah.
can't lie.
Guess so.
Do you remember 7 months ago though? Like how? Like what?
Oh no,
Like-
how did we nearly defeat her 7 months ago? I mean,
It felt like years ago. Oh yeah. Oh my! You need to watch. You need to watch Choc Monkey's videos. He's so good at YouTube.
Yeah. I love to start watching him.
Yeah.
What the hell
What's
is
that?
Oh, I think it's one of the.
Let me go to the.
arcade.
Let me go to the mirror and wait. Why am I trying this on? I forgot
Let
to
me
take
try
it
out
off.
this. I'm gonna scare you. I'm gonna scare you. I'm gonna scare you. Wait, no. Let me turn that on.
Oh, that screwed me. How did that actually scare me, bro? Like, what the signal? Disco balls? When were they a thing? In this gorilla one?
Anyway, do you wanna go back to the arcades?
Yeah, oh yeah, we were supposed to do that anyway.
I remember when this just used to be a wall.
Yeah, I remember them old days. No, you missed out OG caves like before it came into the place in competitive.
Yeah.
Like
I was made like
7 months ago. Exactly. Well, let's get some
I wish
pizza.
I could go back to that factory. It looks
Hey.
pretty cool.
Can I have some pizza, please? 2. So,
Pizzas.
yep, I'm gonna give you $20. Yep, thanks.
20 bucks?
I know, for some reason it's so expensive now.
Anyway, do you want to go to one of the couches?
Sure.
We just have to. Oh, look, they're where we were.
Yeah,
Marvel?
I gave you one for $20. 1 for 10 and 1 for 10.
Oh.
Don't you remember? You're so gullible.
Hey, bro, look, it's Bart the shark.
I know. And Matt the bat. Oh,
And there's the rocket.
I'm full. Do you want to go to Treehouse?
Hey, bro, come here.
That's
Come
my
with
old
me.
house.
Yeah, do you want to go back there?
Sure.
I remember that place.
I know.
Whew. And second floor used to be used. Because that doesn't get used anymore.
I remember
Holy.
all of it.
Oh, it's so bright.
Alright. Let's go. Come now. Now.
I'm coming.
Okay. Yep. You got it.
I don't know where that chimney went to.
Yeah, where's my chimney gone? I must have
There's
like
no-
oh yeah, I only had it in winter because it was really cold in my house.
Oh yeah, they added it in for us.
Yeah. Well, I paid for it, but yeah.
The house people.
Yeah.
I remember when I used to. Didn't I used to sleep up here?
No. Well, then come down.
Like your mom didn't let me in the house.
Oh, I've just accidentally called you one of my. I've been calling you my old friend from before I found you. You just remind me of him for some reason. Oh, that's done for. Oh, I miss the original Mars Monkey. Wait, hello? Mars Monkey? Wait, wake up! Ah! And you don't know what I have. I don't like this place.
Why?
Don't you remember?
Oh. You're having flashbacks, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh my, why am I so
I
bad?
remember them. When do you reckon she's gonna find us?
She might never, she might have just moved to like a different
At least
country.
a couple of days, do you reckon?
No, she's obviously moved to a different country. It's been 7 months since then. And we haven't seen my mum
but
since.
it was like a robot, so robots can survive for a long time.
I know, but she turned into a robot because she ate
Wait,
you.
bro, doesn't this kinda look like a monkey hand?
Yep.
Arm? Hand?
Well, I'm gonna go to bed because we were up all night cranking 90s and Fortnite. I'm just playing some Bed Wars Minecraft. So I'm gonna go to bed.
Get to sleep inside now.
Yeah, because you are my roommate. I had a good dream last night. Am I imagining stuff here? Someone looking at the stairs.
Anytime soon.
What? Oh my! Didn't I was supposed to kill you? Ow! Ow! I was supposed to kill you. Wait! Ah! I forgot to kill you. Why are you holding on to me? Oh, my head face.
You guys okay down there?
Yeah. Wait. How did my mum teleport slash the weird robot? Let's go.
Oh crap.
What the?
Those are OG caves.
What? Get away from us! Dan! I'm in Mars! Mars,
I got left behind.
I keep thinking about you and my friend Ben. Even though you're not. Let's go. Mars Monkey! I hit my head on the crystal. Run! Oh my. Mars Monkey, wake up! Wake up! No, get away! Ow! No, get away from my friend! Oh! 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 Run! You're too delicate! You're chocolate! Get away! Mars Monkey! Why do I keep thinking you're my friend Ben? You just remind me of him so much. Well, let's go!
Bro, I
Mars
found
Monkey!
a flag on the floor. I can beat him up.
Mars Monkey! I'm gonna quickly on the spot give you a name. Mars. Your name is Mars. Because I never gave you one.
I just grabbed the food.
What's happening? I juked him. No. Stay. Come back. Where have they gone? What? Not really, but yeah. Who knows? Don't you remember me? I'm your child. Before you ate Mars. / Mars monkey. / the chocolate. Before you ate him, you was a nice loving mum. Why? Why did you have to go? Don't you even remember me one little bit?
Listen here, kid. I am not your mother. Ow.
You're not getting away with this now. Mars, hurry up! She went into clouds. Oh, that hurt really bad. Oh. Where is she?
I don't think she's
Let's
coming.
make a friendship bracelet if we die. I can't really see mine because of my glove, but yeah. Wait a minute, she's gone more evil!
She's regenerated.
She's gone more powerful! Run! Oh, that full hair! Ow!
Cloning
Wait a
ability
minute.
started.
Stop! Stop this! Now, you shall die from the hands of me. He stabbed it through my neck. Mom, I love you so much. That's so fun. Yeah. This is scary.
Okay, I'll hold you.
Okay.
I'll hold you, okay? 3, 2, 1.
Yay!
You want to do it again?
That was a bit scary, but sure. Okay, this is the last time because it's really, really scary. Okay, I'm gonna go by myself this time. And come on. Whee! Wait, I found the candy cane on the floor.
Really? I don't think you should eat it because that probably has bugs.
I'm gonna save it in my pocket.
Oh. Make sure to put it in the trash when you go back home because
Okay.
you never know what it has in there.
Oh, you never know what would happen in the future. Ow! I want to buy you a present. Do you want to see it? I'm going to wear it in the changing room and show you it, okay? Cha!
Okay.
Do you like it? I'm gonna buy you that.
Love it, honey.
Okay, let's go. I'm gonna buy you it. Okay. Okay, I only have 50 pence. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's 50 pence. Do you have it?
Let me
Okay.
check.
Because they normally give you it after a couple of seconds in your wardrobe.
Oh my God,
Yay!
high five.
What out? I'm sleepy. Let's go home now.
Yeah, let's go home.
Oh my, I'm so tired. I'm gonna waste you there. 3, 2, 1, go. I win! Yay!
Fast, honey.
Hmm.
Let's go sleep. Sweet dreams.
Oh, when is Ben coming? We're supposed to come to the arcade.
Knock, knock, knock.
Hiya, Ben.
Wanna go to the arcade?
Yeah. Okay, close the door. Lock it. Okay. Oh my. How did you teleport? Let's get some arcade pizza because you know that the arcade pizza is the best pizza in town. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hey, you go play that game. I'm gonna go get some pizza. 20 bucks? Okay. I'm gonna go ask my mum for some money. Meanwhile, Ben using the arcade. I'm back. I got 20 bucks. Why is like pizza so expensive? 20 bucks. Here you go. Thank you. I got 2 pizzas. Here's your one. Big jump.
Whoa, rocket.
Rocket. Oh, I ate that really fast. I need a drink. I'm glad that drink's only 10 pence. Here you go. Thank you. I'm done with that. Let me put it in the bin. Oh, I have to jump up. What? Yeah. Hey, do you wanna go play around in forest? Yeah. Yeah. I've been waiting every day for that to go up to the sky. I know. I'm gonna quickly go look in the shop. You go there without me.
Meanwhile, Ben.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm just looking around for anything I want. Wow, that's cool. Ooh. Oh. Ben? Ben! Ah! Oh, I touched myself. Ben! Oh, where am I? Why am I in the hospital? Is it nighttime already? Oh, my neck. Why do I have stitches on my neck?
Let's go.
Oh, when can I get out of the
Got in a
hospital?
little accident.
When do I get out of the hospital?
Tomorrow.
Okay. The next day.
I better fall asleep as well.
Tomorrow now. Did you stay up all night?
Holy crap! Like, did I just sleep like right when I was at the? Why wouldn't Very sleepy.
Oh, hi.
Oh, there.
For some,
So
why do I
you in the
why
hospital?
do I have
Why are
stitches
you
on my
in
neck?
here? This place is Why are you here? This place is abandoned.
No, it's not. It's just nighttime. Don't you
Is this thing
remember?
over here?
Don't you remember they opened the
Here.
place up? Like 2 years ago, they opened it back up.
And they didn't open it back up.
You might have just never noticed. Well, I have just stitches on my neck.
I was sleeping the whole time. I didn't even open it up. Tell me when it opened up.
Like a month ago.
I wasn't even at work a month ago.
Oh, well, I really want to know the real reason why I have stitches. Well,
Let's say you've gotten a little accident with your mom.
okay, but my mom is
Can I
gone.
just tell you a little thing?
Yeah,
Your mom is a monster.
I already know that. 7 months ago.
But that's not your mom.
I know. She turned into that monster 7 months ago. But I don't know what actually happened with my mum.
I'm going in the maze. You know that one flashback you got? You know that one flashback you got when an anonymous guy kidnapped
Ben? Wait, but wait, he got kidnapped? I never even realized.
That anonymous guy basically just killed your mother and copied your mother so it would look like her.
What the? Well, at least my deadly mom is gone.
And another answer I have to give you. Don't ask how I know your memories.
What? Wait, are you gonna? Wait, so you just said that Ben got kidnapped ages ago when I was like a little kid? Yeah, and that's not Ben. I think you might think he is. That's Chocolate. He's my friend who came alive. And actually, I never even knew that Ben got kidnapped. He was supposed to go to the forest and mess around, but that's why he wasn't there.
When I was a little youngin'.
Wait, how do you know that he got kidnapped? How do you know he got kidnapped? What, did you kidnap him?
When I was a little youngin', you know, like I was just like in 6th grade middle school, I was walking to my home, alright, and then I just see the anonymous guy. It's like he's black and then he has purple eyes. I'm not him. I'm not that. No racism. Anyway, but I did see him. He was walking around in like stumping forest, and then what I also saw him getting dragged by.
Why? Why didn't you stop him?
Listen, I had nothing. I just got this recently with my coach.
That looks familiar. Wait a minute. I now know why I have stitches on my neck. That went through me. What? Are you in the skies right now? Are you my mama in the skies? Are you a robot in the skies?
No.
Ben?
No, I'm not. I can literally just rip myself apart and all you see is just flesh.
Ben, let's go. Why do you remind me of my friend Ben so much? I don't know. Well, Mars, let's go.
Okay, if you guys don't believe me, then just go.
Let's go to bed. 'Cause, yeah, I'm tired. And it's morning and I'm still tired because, yeah, I never had enough sleep. Mars, let's go.
just have my cup here, and I just have my juice here.
I'm gonna go to sleep. You don't need to if you
Both
want.
of them are
Okay, today you are going to be learning how to speak English. So, say, wait, what? Say, Jackson is the best.
Yeah. Who?
No. Say, Jackson is the best.
Jackson is the poet.
Okay, say, Mars monkey is a poet.
Mars monkey is the best.
Okay. Say, googly boogly apple snoodly.
Googly googly apple snoodly.
Okay, good. That's all we're doing for today.